Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be teaching you guys the basics of Python. Let's get started. First, open the Python idle. Idle will be available if you have installed Python from its official website. I will be posting the link for downloading Python. After opening the idle shell, we need to create a new file. After creating a new file, we will make a simple Python program which will print the word hello. The print data type is a data type of Python. So what this does exactly is that the statement inside the parentheses will be shown in the idle shell that we can see here. Now we will run the program. Before we can run the program, we have to save the file first. Choose the place where you want to save your file on the computer and name the file. By default, the file will be made as a Python file. Now we can run the program. We can see the output in the shell. After hearing the name data types, you must be having a question: what are data types and why are they needed? Well, I'll be answering that question. Python has several built-in data types, including numeric types, int, float, complex, string, str, boolean, bool, and collection types, list, tuple, dict, set. Each data type has its own set of properties, methods, and behaviors that allow programmers to manipulate and process data effectively in their programs. We can take an example by looking at the program again. The street data type is a data type which is used to store text. Additionally, a string can also include digits and symbols. However, it is always treated as text. An example of this data type is the print used in the program. We have came to the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like and subscribe button and share this video to your friends and family.